Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be finally learning how we could create fragments and how we could add them onto the activity screen. So in the previous tutorial what we have done is that we have imported an image into our Android project, and importing an image into Android is extremely simple. The only thing which you need to take care of that you import the image into this drawable folder, and that is because each and every image which we are going to use is going to contain in the drawable folder. So now in this tutorial we'll be learning how to create the fragments. So before creating any fragment, let us understand what a fragment is. So a fragment is similar to your main activity. So a fragment usually has two parts. The first part which is associated with the fragment is going to be the XML file, and the next part which is associated with the fragment is going to be the Java file. So the first thing you need to do while creating a fragment is that you need to create a layout file or the XML file. So if you want to create a new layout file for your fragment, then the first thing which you'll need to do is that you should go into this layout folder, and that is because each and every XML file which is associated with our Android project is going to lie in this layout folder. So we simply right click on this layout folder, go to new and click on layout resource file. Now when we click on that option, it is going to pop up a window and we need to enter the file name. So let's say, as in this case, we are going to design the top section fragment. We will name it as top section fragment. Now one more thing which you need to remember is that the root element right here should be the relative layout. So make sure that you type relative layout over here. So we type relative layout. Then once we are done with this, we hit OK. So as you could see, our top section fragment has been successfully created, and as you could notice that it is similar to the main activity. Now let's go ahead and add some elements onto this top section fragment. So instead of just dragging and dropping the elements, we are going to go into the text view and we are going to design the layout by typing in some code. So the first thing which we are going to add to our layout is going to be the edit text. So we type edit text, and let's say the width of the layout is going to be wrap content, and also the height is going to wrap content. And now let's specify some ID to the layout. So let's say Android ID equals, in double quotes, @ plus ID slash, and let's give it an ID of top text input. Now let's align the edit text in the center horizontally. So in order to do that, we type Android layout center horizontal equals true, and it is going to set it in the center horizontally. Now let's also leave some margin for this from the top. So in order to do that, we type Android layout margin top, and let's say the margin we want is going to be 15 dp. So we type 15 dp, and let's say the width of this is going to be 300 dp. So we type Android width 300 dp. So as you could see, the edit text has been successfully added to our fragment. Now let's say we want to add up a button onto it. So in order to add a button, we use the button tag. So we type button, and width should be wrap content, height should be wrap content, and let's give it an ID. So we type Android ID equals @ plus ID slash, and let's give it an ID of, let's say, button. Now also let's specify the top margin. So we type Android layout margin top equals, let's say, 15 dp. So let's see how our layout looks like. So I think there should be more margin. So let's say we change the margin to 55 dps, and now also let's align the button in the center horizontally. So we type Android layout center horizontal equals true. So as you could see, we have laid out the button in exact center. Now let's go ahead and specify some text onto this button. So we type Android text, and let's say the button says click here. So as you could see, we have successfully designed the top section fragment. So basically what we did is that we have created the top section fragment. So basically, in order to create this fragment, what we have done is that we have the layout folder which is going to hold each and every XML file or the layout file for us. So a fragment is basically similar to the main activity. So it is going to have a XML file and it is going to have a Java file. So what we have done is that we have created the layout file for the top section fragment. So in order to create the layout for the top section fragment, we simply clicked onto this layout file, then we went to new and we have clicked the layout resource file, and we have named the layout resource file, and also we have used the relative layout so that the elements could be laid in respect to each other. And then finally, instead of dragging and dropping elements onto it, we have used the XML code in order to design the UI. So that's it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll be designing the bottom part or the bottom section fragment of our activity, and then finally we are going to merge these two fragments, which is the top section fragment and the bottom section fragment, into the content main.xml file. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.